Hello everyone. Are Chrome pages not loaded on your Android phone? Or does Chrome show a no internet error even when your internet is working? Don't worry, here are some easy fixes you can try. Step 1. Check internet connection. First, make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. Try opening YouTube or another app to confirm that the internet is working. Step 2. Refresh the web page. Tap the refresh icon in Chrome or close the page and open it again. Sometimes the page fails to load temporarily. Step 3. Clear Chrome cache. Tap the three dots in Chrome and go to Settings. Privacy and Security. Clear browsing data. Select cached images and files, then tap Clear Data. Step 4. Check data saver settings. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, Data Saver. If data saver is on, turn it off temporarily and check if Chrome starts loading page. Step 5. Check date and time settings. Go to Settings, Date and Time and turn on Set Time automatically. Incorrect date and time can sometimes cause websites to stop loading. Step 6. Update Google Chrome. Open the Play Store and search from Google Chrome. If an update is available, install it. And that's it. These steps should help fix Chrome pages not loaded or the no internet issues on Android. Like, subscribe, and share for more easy Android tips.